Welcome back to my channel. So this channel is IGBOTIC nono, and you are welcome back to this channel.
Getting sick of all the small town talking. Getting sick.
So in this channel, you'll be learning how to speak Igbo, no matter how little you speak. Yes. So that when you come back to the village, you won't be sold out. So you'll be learning minimal Igbos that will help you, and from time to time you become very fluent. So please subscribe to this channel, watch my videos, share them as well. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about animals, their English name, and what they also mean in Igbo. And I'm going to be using pronunciation here. You watch my lips and you watch my mouth, how I pronounce it, then you pronounce it as well. I think this will help. You can feel free to save my videos in your watch later and consistently repeat it, and of course you will perfect on it. So let us start. Let us start in the Igbo potara. Kani bido. Kani bido. When you want to tell somebody, let us start. Okay, maybe the person's name is Choma. You say Choma, kani bido. Ka ani bido. Ka ani bido. Ka ani bido, meaning let us start. So you can say it now. Ka ani bido. Perfect. You just did very well. So consistently practice this and you perfect so much in it. Number one animal here is ewu. Ewu. Ewu, meaning goat. Goat. Meh. Meh. Ewu. Ewu. Goat. So now the second, if somebody tells you Igbo, just know the person is calling you a goat. But goat is better than sheep at all. So atolo. Atolo. Sheep. Atolo. If somebody tells you, hey, Igbo atolo, you're a sheep, I think it's worse than goats, because sheep, they don't have destination. They just come out, and even when they see car, they don't stop. When they hear horn, they don't used to stop. But goats will stop, but sheep doesn't stop. So when somebody wants to abuse you and tells you Igbo atolo, is worse than goats, it's a serious abuse. So you better tell the person Igbo ewu. So that's what I'm saying. Atolo. Atolo. Sheep. Atolo. Sheep. So now we have learned ewu, goat, number one. Atolo, sheep, number two. So now you can say ewu, goat in Igbo, and you can say atolo, sheep in Igbo. So let's go to the third one. So number three here is nketa. 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 Nketa, meaning dog. Nketa, in English, dog. So say it one more time. Nketa. Nketa, that is dog. So we have learned how to say goat, which is ewu in Igbo, sheep, which is atolo in Igbo, and dog, which is nketa in Igbo. So nke no, antelope. Mbada. 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 That is antelope. Mbada. That is antelope. Bat. Bat in English. In Igbo is oso. Oso. Igbo oso. Igbo oso. You're a bat. And Igbo oso. Bat. Oso. Bat. Also. 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 Bed. No. Bed. You know, the flying bird. Yes, the flying bird. Some people call it pigeon. Bed. No. 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 Can I say it now? No. No. Cat. Wamba. Cat. Meow. You know, meow, meow. Cat. Wamba. Mwamba. Mwamba. That is cat. Mwamba. Cow. Ehi. Cow, no cow. Call it ehi. Cow. Ehi. Cow. Ehi. 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 Cow. Cattle. Efi. Cattle. Efi. Cattle. Efi. Crab. Nsheko. Crab. Nsheko. Crab. Nsheko. Dog. Obobo. Dog. Dog. I didn't say dog. Dog is nketa. Dog. Dog. Obogo. Ego. Ego. Ugo. Ego. Ugo. Fish. Azu. Fish. Azu. Fish. Azu. Horse. Ịnyịnya. Horse. Ịnyịnya. Horse. Ịnyịnya. Lamb. Lamb. Nwa atụrụ. Lamb. Nwa atụrụ. Nwa atụrụ. Lamb. Nwa atụrụ. Lion. Ọdụm. Lion. Ọdụm. Lion. Ọdụm. Lizard. Ngwere. Lizard. Ngwere. Lizard. Ngwere. Rat. Oke. Rat. Oke. Rat. Oke. All. Ikwiikwi. All. Ikwiikwi. All. You know all? The one that has the eye. All. Ikwiikwi. Ikwiikwi. Some people use all these names to abuse someone. You know, when you tell somebody you're a goat, you're a sheep, you're an elephant. You know, in English it sounds friendly, but when you tell somebody in Igbo, it sounds more abusive. You know, the English looks very, when you tell somebody you're an elephant, you know, it sounds friendly, more to say if it's said in Igbo. So some people use these things to abuse people in Igbo anyways. So this is the explanations I'm giving you. Pig is, you know, pig is very dirty, right? So somebody can tell you, Emeka, Igbo is. Emeka, Igbo is. It means Emeka, you're a pig. You're very, very dirty. Emeka, you are very dirty. That is the meaning. Eat dirty. Emeka, you are very dirty. Say, Emeka, you're a pig. Emeka, Igbo is. Igbo is. Igbo is. Igbo is. Meaning, Emeka, you are a pig. So that one is very, if you tell somebody Igbo is, just be ready to fight. Scorpion. Abe. Scorpion. Abe. Scorpion. Abe. Snake. Agwo. Snake. Agwo. Tiger. Agu. Tiger. Agu. Tiger. Agu. Tortoise. Mbe. Some people call it tortoise. Some call it tortoise. Anyways, you know what I'm saying. Tortoise, tortoise, anyone. Mbe. Tortoise. Mbe. Mbe. Vulture. Vulture. Udele. Udele. So guys, with this ones I mentioned now, I mentioned more. I lost count. Yes, I said much of the animals, so along the line I lost count, but I'm very sure I mentioned many of them here that we Igbo mostly use around us. Dog, cow, cattle, you know, cattle, hen, okoko, hen, okoko. That one mostly chop it during Christmas. That one a Christmas meat for Nigeria. So I mentioned many of them. So if you learn these animals in Igbo, I'm sure whenever you come back to your village, whenever you come back to our country land, you won't be lost in any ways. Yes, because mostly these terms are used natively in the village or around the places where they speak Igbo most often. These animals have been mentioned, in fact, uncountable times, so you won't be missed out. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and also share them as well. I'll be bringing to you other Igbos and meaning, and also be bringing to you some few sentences that mostly you need to use to communicate within your friends or your cousin or around people who also speak the same dialect with you. So thank you for sticking around. Bye.